Hello everyone, it's Charlie, your medical supply specialist here with another FYI product video. Today we're looking at the Dohm sound conditioner single speed. This is product 3500100. This is the original sound machine since 1962, developed over 50 years ago. Weighs only 1.5 pounds, constructed out of ABS plastic, has an 8-foot long power cord. It creates a soothing sound of rushing air, also known as white noise. We have your on and off switch, and basically you can twist the side here for volume, and the top will adjust the tone. The Dohm offers a smooth and consistent single-speed electric motor with a unique asymmetrical fan. This is not a recorded track that is looped. This is made from a mechanical fan actually located inside the Dohm. Again, this is the Dohm sound conditioner single-speed version 3500100. Thanks so much for watching.